Hey guys, welcome back to another one. So today is just going to be a little short video showing you off kind of the new equipment that we got to actually work with for this upcoming season. So far I've been recording mostly off of my phone, which is a Samsung S9. So very good phone, really good video, but also not the best video, and it's not very durable. Especially in the colder climate that we are in, it'll basically die in half a second. So I'd actually like to use my phone for emergencies out in the field. So instead of using my phone to record, I'm actually going to be using the GoPro Hero Black 7. So this was highly recommended. I went through a lot of videos to make sure this is what I really wanted, and I went through a bunch of reviews as well to make sure this is what I'd like to run for it, since it is kind of spendy to be actually putting money into. Turns out to be really good. Got 3 batteries with it, and then I got kind of like an accessory kit along with it, so I'll kind of have everything along that I'll need, like the chest mount, the head mount, various types of things like that, especially with the helmets on the ATV. I got a bunch of those mounting kits as well, so very easy for that. And yeah, overall I think it'll be really good. I got the housing for it as well, and for the colder climates, I know the batteries still don't last very long in the Heroes, but one thing that you can do is actually put a hand warmer on the outside of that case. It'll kind of help keep it warm at least a little bit, which will thus keep that battery life going enough where it'll actually stay a while. And with the 3 batteries, you should be able to get through a whole night and recharge the next day. So other than that, I would say if you guys wanted to, you can go ahead, leave some suggestions in the comments below, and we'll actually try it out for the first time here today. So I'll actually go ahead here and we'll get this thing rolling. So we'll just go, and just like that, now we're on the GoPro. So I didn't bring out the kit or anything like that to kind of show off all we had. But yeah, kind of let me know if you have any suggestions of how to run it, or what you usually prefer to run if you do anything outdoorsy with the GoPros. Let me know if you think I got a good buy, or if there's something else that I should have gotten instead. Always interested to hear that, and also everyone down below. Really helps them out as well in case they're looking to maybe do some of their own events and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll get back onto the trapping routine. I know I missed quite a few days here. Just getting a little difficult to do that every other day like I was doing at the first 30 to 40 videos there, but hopefully we'll still get a couple out each week, and then we'll kind of, once actual trapping season comes along, we'll actually do pretty good there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you like this view better, or if there's something that you'd like to get added onto this camera to make it even more beneficial. And yeah, thank you for watching.